June 4, 2023. I'm at the air show here in Louisville, Kentucky. These are all the RC planes that are remotely controlled, basically. That's what it means.
So what Mike Barbie's doing out there, this is simulated wing walking, not wing walking, but back in World War I, these airplanes didn't turn well. They didn't have good ground maneuverability. So what they did was the ground crew would actually go out there and wing walk the airplane. They'd grab a hold of the airplane and help turn it and guide it out into the takeoff position line of the aerodrome. Okay, the first plane up there is a Curtiss JM4 Jenny. Very popular plane for training World War I pilots. In fact, 93% of all the pilots in the U.S. that flew trained on that Jenny plane. Multi-purpose plane, because after the war there were so many of them that they went into general aviation, they hauled mail, they did barnstorming, and people just bought them for, the fun of flying. They might cost as much as a whopping $50 to buy one of those. And this is the Jenny passing to the left right in front of us. The next plane right behind him would be a Fokker DR-1, probably more popularly known as the triplane. That would be probably the Red Baron up there, because the plane's painted red. He did that because he wanted people to look at him and come after him. He was the top ace in World War I, Baron von Richthofen. He had 80 kills. And a kill was a difficult thing to do in these planes because they were not as maneuverable as we're making them look. And it was a new technology to actually fire a gun and fly a plane at the same time. And you know what's really kind of interesting with that, with the air combat in World War I? They actually had parachutes dying in World War I, but none of the pilots used them. They felt that it was cowardly to be able to escape an aircraft and got shot down. Yeah, no parachute. So, if your engine caught on fire, you were going to take a hot ride